Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your go-to for cutting-edge stock insights. I'm Mitchell, and today we're connecting the dots on ARB IoT Group Limited, ticker ARBB, the Malaysia-based innovator delivering AI-powered IoT solutions for smart agriculture, homes, and data centers. Circuit breaking surged today. As of December 12th, ARBB shares exploded 24% to close at $7.24, capping a volatile session with the volume spiking over 97 million shares, the highest in months amid retail buzz and technical breakout signals. This follows a year-to-date roller coaster with shares up over 93% over the last 6 months, but still down 68% annually as investors eye undervaluation in the AI IoT boom. Powering the narrative, fiscal 2025 revenue rocketed 239% year over year to 197.32 million MYR, driven by AI server deployments and agro-tech expansions, though net losses widened to 71.3 million amid heavy R&D investments. Standout moves include the July $45 million order for 500 ARB-222 AI servers to Gaja Capitalan for a Malaysian data center, building on February's MOU with University Kebangsaan Malaysia, positioning ARBB as a low-cost NVIDIA alternative in Southeast Asia's AI surge. Analyst strong buy consensus targets $20, a 176% upside. Volatility and execution risks loom in this microcap arena. ARBB, IoT ignition or circuit overload? Wire your thoughts below, like for the spark, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Invest connected. See you next time. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.